Hi everyone, if you remember, we done in our previous video how to deploy the security gateway. Now we are going to deploy the security management server. We need to set up the configuration. So let me do now. First I will log in here and I need to verify what IP we have here. And here we will have the same IP because we are using the same device. You need to change here the IP. So in this one you are going to learn how we can change the IP also. Okay, so let's see here. I will show you how to check the IP. You will write show interface Ethernet 0, and if you see, this is the IP because we are using the same device here and here, so we will have the same IP. Now we need to change this IP from 50 to 100 because with the same IP we cannot access two devices. We should have the different IP. Here we have the 192.168.17.50. Here we are having 192.168.17.100. So we need to set up here 100 because with the same IP you cannot access more than one device. So how to set up means this is a command, write set interface. Okay, then give the interface it 0 and write here IPv4 address and give the address. Example 192.168.17.100 I will give. After that we will write mask length and whatever the mask /24 we have, and then you need to write save config. That's all. And you can write show interface it 0 and you can verify what IP you have now. So see here I changed the IP now. Before you have 192.168.17.50. Now we change to 17.100. So now we can access this also. Here I will type this in the browser and we will check this. So let me check here. I will write here HTTPS. Okay, and I will try to access. So this is the security gateway management. Same login detail whatever we give before, you need to log in and you need to set up with the security management server. I think, yeah. So see here whenever you are configuring, you need to remember before we configure as a security gateway. Here if you go security gateway only, we install this setup. Here we need to install only security management server. So just click next and use this one only, same thing, manual, and we will use same default, and gate name here we will give security management server. DNS you can give 8.8.8.8 and 1.1.1.1. Later also we can change if you want to change. Just click next. This is the default we will use, and here the first option we need to select because we need to install the security management, not the security gateway, but we have option to uncheck this. After this, if you see, you can uncheck. In our previous class we check this, we uncheck this, but now here we will do opposite because we want to install the security management now. Okay, and click next. Here what they are saying, recommended to keep the enable option here, this one. Okay, anyhow I will keep, no problem. So select this and click next. Here I will use the default admin and any IP, and here I don't want to send any data to checkpoint, and finish, and yes, so it will install. I will pause the video because they will do this all setup. After that we need to reload, so we can wait also, but let me pause so video will not become lengthy. So if you see, it is taking some time. Already the verifying the configuration is done, security management is finished, compatibility package also done, finalizing the configuration. After that we will restart, that is we reboot the device, then we can type this IP again here in the browser and you will have like this. But here this box is written here as a security gateway. For this SMS box you will have the checkpoint security management. If you see here, this one 192.168.17.100 configuration completed, click OK. So now you will have, okay, they don't ask the reboot, no worries, later we will do the reboot also. But now you can see here checkpoint security management. So this is a checkpoint security management we set up, and you can see we have this IP 192.168.17.100 for checkpoint security management, and for the checkpoint security gateway we have this IP. Okay, so we have the two separate box. One box, this one we can say this is a firewall. Like in the Palo Alto firewall, we will say this is a Palo Alto and this is a Panorama. Same like that, here we have security gateways like a firewall and security management server like a Panorama. We can manage multiple firewall. Okay, so we need to install the this one. If you remember, smart console we need to install also. After that we can create the policy with the help of smart console. You can see here smart console already I have, but if you are new you can just click this and download. From here also you can download, or you can go here, you will have here also the download option. You can download the smart console. With the here in the Gaia portal we can do the interface configuration, routing, time, but if you want to create any policy, NAT policy or security policy, you can do with the smart console only. Already we teach how to install the smart console in our previous class, so you can watch our playlist and you can do that one. Anyhow, in our next class we are going to do this one. Just click and it will set up file you will have. Just click next, that's all. It will be installed and then you will get like this. This is a smart console. So smart console will open like this. Let me check where it is. Here, and here we need to put the IP and the password so we can log into that device. So later we will do this one also. Now no need to worry how to do this one. Only what we learn in this class means, in this class we learn how to set up the security gateway and security management. Okay, security gateway and the security management server we learn how to set up, that's all. In our next class we are going to see how to connect this to our checkpoint or where we want to connect. Here I will connect to the security management server or where we want to connect, how to do configuration, because this device is still booting up, so it will take time, and we can put here IP and we can do. So what we can do here, we can do from security management server. From there we can make the configuration. If you see, I am able to log in this one, security management. We need to log in. This is a smart console. We can say here in the NAT cloud we connected the smart console. With the smart console we can configure here and we can push the configuration to this. We will see that later, but here if you see, this is the fingerprint. I can proceed and then I will connect to this security management server, security management. Let me show you. And I need to connect this device. So here if you see, I am here SMS 192.168.17.100. I am accessing the SMS. I need to connect also here this one, security gateway. So that one we will learn in our next class. Here just remember, in the distributed deployment part number 3 video we learn how to set up the security management server. That's all.